If you own a cartridge filter, Filter Wash is your dependable partner in achieving a deep and thorough cleaning for your cartridges. This spray is a unique blend of cleaning agents and degreasers formulated to penetrate deeply into any reusable cartridge filter. It eliminates accumulated materials like body oils, grease, dirt, and soap scum, renewing your cartridge for reuse and ensuring your water stays crystal clear. For the best results, use Filter Wash every few weeks or every time the water in your spa is changed. Also consider your spa's bather load. More bathers means that your filter will require more frequent cleaning. Start by checking on your filter cartridge when you notice a decrease in the flow rate. This is usually a clear indication that the cartridge is blocked or dirty. Turn off your spa and remove the filter element from the filter casing. Begin by rinsing off loose material from the filter element. Next, liberally spray Filter Wash over the total surface area of your filter element, ensuring it is thoroughly saturated for maximum effect. For the best results, allow it to stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse the filter element thoroughly with water using a garden hose. Heavily soiled filter elements may require a second application for a complete clean. Before placing the cartridge back into the filter, check that it is free of all cleaner. Replace the cartridge and turn on your spa to resume filtration. And just like that, your filter cartridge is clean and renewed. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your spa is clean and safe thanks to Filter Wash. If you have any questions or concerns about Filter Wash or your water quality, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.